welcome to artshosting.com. My name is Sam. Today I'll show you a video that will demonstrate how to register a new domain name and order web hosting services for your website. So we at Artish Hosting offer several web hosting services such as cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS service and dedicated servers. I'll quickly show you how to order a new web hosting service using a basic cloud web hosting. As you notice, we offer a choice of UK and US data centers. US servers are charged in British pound, whereas US servers are charged in US dollars. So I'll just try to register a new domain name and web hosting service using a UK data centers. I'll click on Get Started. You have three options. You can register a new domain name, transfer your domain name from your registrar to us, or you can even keep your domain name with your existing domain registrar and simply update its name service. So I'll just go with the first option. I'll try to register a new domain name. I'll select the TLD for my domain name. Let's keep it as .com. Check. Congratulations. artshostingdomain.com is available, so I'll click on continue. The next screen shows to select the billing cycle. There's 1 month price, 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. I'll go with 36 months. Next, you get to choose the backups. We offer free backups, daily retention, so that's an option available. Or if you need additional retentions, you can go for other backups. I'll just keep it free. You later have an option to have your sitemap generated that helps for SEO of your website in search engines such as Google. I'll click that. And you can also go for social media promotion that we help with creating your social media pages for your website. I'll click on that. I'll click on continue. Next, you have options for your domain, and I'll click on DNS management, email forwarding. If you wish to hide your domain privacy, your domain host data, you can go for ID protection. Click on continue. So you see the screen for your shopping cart, which is your Turbo Cloud Intermediate, sitemap, social media, and domain registration. You'll see that a coupon has been applied automatically over here, and the discount has been applied. And click on checkout. Now enter your details such as gmail.com. You need to enter a valid email address. I'll just enter my phone number. Company name is optional. To enter your address. Select the country where you live in and select United Kingdom. Then you can just simply select the source from where you found a company, Google, Facebook, Twitter, or whatever. So I'll click on Google. You need to then fill in the details for your domain registration and just use the same default contact details above. Then I'll generate a password, or you can even use your own password which is strong enough. Click on your preferred mode of payment, which is PayPal, or if you wish to pay using credit card, you can also click on that. If you have any notes to share with our company, you can just write down your notes. Then I'll have to click on I have read and agree to the TOS, our terms of service. So make sure you go through our TOS before signing up, because our TOS includes the rules and web hosting criteria that we offer on our servers. Make sure you go through all our TOS details. Once you have it, you can click on I have agree to the TOS and click on complete order. So that's how you will be prompted to pay the invoice, and you can also set up a recurring payment for your invoice using the PayPal subscription button, or you can just simply check out to make a one-off payment. This is how you'll just order a web hosting service from artshosting.com. If you need any kind of help, you are most welcome to hit on the website and initiate a live chat with one of our operators. We'll be happy to assist you. Till then, if you need any information, you can contact us. See you soon. Bye bye.